What's up guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you some and give you some great tips, features, tricks on iPhone. This might be like for beginners, but of course it is sometimes for other users, while they forget most of the features and tips available and on iPhone, and these tips and features maybe will make their life easier, of course, but they forgot to use them, right? The first one is when we tap and hold, an app, we have, many options available here, right? For example, for the Notes app, if you tap and hold, you have new note. If you tap on it, you will be easily able to write down a new note instead of opening notes, and then going out of an opened note, something like that, or a group of notes. Okay, you'll just tap and hold, and then write down or tap on a new note, and then you'll be able to write down the new note. We have got many other options available here. Now let's check another one. For App Store, okay, tap and hold, and then tap on updates, and then you'll be headed to the updates instantly. That is really, really easy and quick. Okay, now the second one, if I tap and hold, an app, okay, and I want to move it, okay, I can tap and hold some other apps, and I'll be able to move a group of apps, all together to wherever I want to. Number 3 is editing the page. Okay, now I'm able now to edit the page. Okay, now if I tap on edit here, and edit page, okay, this is really cool. Why? Because if you want to hide a whole page on iPhone, okay, you can tap and tick it, okay, and then this page, with all the apps available in it, will be hidden. If you want, if you want to get it back, to or make it visible, tap again, and it's visible again. Now, if I tap, if I tap here, guys, let's see, if I move between the pages, okay, you see the dots available here, but instead of doing this, you can swipe left and right, okay, to move between the pages easily and quickly, of course. Now, the other tip available here is, guys, that you can tap and hold, to we could say lock an app. Now tap and hold, and require Face ID, and then if I tap on require Face ID, I'll be able to lock this app. The other thing available, or we could say here, is if I tap and hold again, or some other apps, and tap on require Face ID, I have two options, for many apps. It is not only for locking that app, it also gives me the option to hide, to hide it, and then if you want to have it back, or to unhide it, you will have to, it requires Face ID. Okay, now for example, let's hide this one, okay, try again. Hide app. Now this app is hidden for now, but where to find it? Now go to the app library, scroll down, and I have this folder available here, which is for the hidden apps. Okay, now but I cannot see any hidden apps available here. Now if I tap on it, and then after the Face ID is recognized, okay, I will be able to see the hidden apps available here, To unhide it, tap and hold, Don't require Face ID. Okay, Face ID should be recognized, and then the app will be back, to somewhere. But if you cannot, find it here, or some other on the other pages, let's see if it is on the other pages. No, it is not, So how to get it back here, Because let's see if it is still here, No, it is not here, Now I have to search it here, Search in the app library. Now tap and hold, okay, and then add to home screen, and then it's been added here to one of the pages on your iPhone, and then you will be able to move it to the page that you want to. The other tips, or the other tip here for today is, now when you write down something in the notes, or somewhere else, okay, and you want to let's say, I want to say subscribe for more videos like this one, right? Shake, right, to undo. At its course, of course, it is not only for typing. It happens, or it works for many other things when you do it on iPhone. Now, the other thing is, right, or the other features or tricks I want to mention here today is, now if I go open Control Center, right, I've got like some tips and features available here that will make my day or my life easier, right? The first one here is, right, if I tap and hold, right, and tap on add a control, right, and write down, okay, app, okay, and open app, right, and choose the app, right, then I'll be able, right, to open the app, right, that app specifically, right, here from the Control Center. Of course, I have like calculator available here, right, but this is just like for an instance, right? To remove it, right, tap and hold, okay, and you can remove it, right? The other thing available here, Control Center, is now you can turn off your iPhone right from here, right? Tap on the icon available here, right? And then you'll be able to turn it off instead of like tapping the this main button and one of the or maybe the volume up button, right? You can do this, okay? You'll be able to turn off your iPhone easily and quickly. The other tip available here in Control Center is, right, now tap and hold here, right, you'll be able to switch on and off the dark mode, right? Not only the dark mode, the night shift also, and the true tone is available here, guys. All right. Now, these are some quick, right, guys, quick tips and features, tricks concerning iPhone. These might be like for beginners, of course, but of course, as I said in the beginning, these might be for you guys, right? Because we forget, right, how to use iPhone and how to make like our life easier, all right? I hope it helped. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.